the Trend is an all-in-one dropshipping solution that provides real winning and trending products for dropshippers. With the new Sell the Trend shop, you can have a full e-commerce store in less than 5 minutes. Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Fumike with a new video today. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Thank you for always coming here. And if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Fumike. I create content on business ideas, personal finance, and reviews. My goal on this channel is to provide you with multiple streams of passive income, which is something I've been doing and passionate about. So if any of this resonates with you, kindly go ahead and subscribe. Smash the subscribe button to join the team today. Also turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I have a new video. So today I bring you good tidings. We're talking about Sell the Trend shops. I actually have a video on Sell the Trend. I'll link that video right up here. So what is Sell the Trend? Sell the Trend is #1 dropshipping solutions for every dropshipper. Sell the Trend is an all-in-one dropshipping solution that provides real winning and trending products for dropshippers. Yes, so please guys, check out that video, the part 1 of this video. With the new Sell the Trend shop, you can have a full e-commerce store in less than 5 minutes with no app required, with no other application required. It is also important to note that Sell the Trend shops is entirely free during the early launch date for my viewers. So everyone watching this video, I'll be giving you my link to register totally free. Sell the Trend is a direct replacement to Shopify for new dropshippers. Yes, like this is the end. You're switching to Sell the Trend. It also saves cost and time compared to other similar Shopify stores. Right now, I'll be taking you to my screen where I'll be sharing how to open an e-commerce store in less than 5 minutes. Yes, free of charge. Let's get started. Okay guys, so here's what my dashboard looks like. Yes, after clicking the link, this is what you have on your screen. So right now we click on get started. So let's start. So now I need to input my email and my password. So I'll be using one of my business email address. So let's go ahead. Fabrics. Okay, so the next thing now is to input my password. Okay, so this is what I have. I'll just go ahead now and click create my account. This is what I have after inputting my email and my password. So the next thing is now to choose your store name. So here I'll just be putting Phantom Empire. So now this is what my website URL is, but then you can also have a custom domain. So I'll just click on continue. Okay, so here is what I have. It's asking me you need to choose your website currency, how you want to get paid. I'll be leaving it at US dollars, but you can choose to modify it. Let's look at the drop down menu. Look at what I have here. I have so many currency options here, but I'll just be leaving it at USD. Just click on create shop. But if you want to use any other currency, you can go ahead and change to the currency of your choice. So here, what's your dropshipping knowledge? If you're a beginner, click on beginner. If you're an intermediate, click on that. And if you're advanced, you're a professional already in dropshipping, click on any option that suits you best. But for the purpose of this video, I'll be going with, let's go with intermediate. Yes, let's go with intermediate. So I'll just click on intermediate. Oh yeah, we have what are you interested in. Click on anything you're interested in. Is it finding winning products, importing product directly from AliExpress to my shop, automating my workflow including fulfilling orders, find USA shipping suppliers. So I'll just go with finding winning products. So what product am I interested in? I'll just go ahead with beauty. Let's go ahead with beauty. Yes, we're almost there. My store is coming up. Yay, yippee! So I have a store ready. Can you see I have a store already? So now that we have a store, let's go to settings to modify different things we would love to modify. So I'll just come here, this Phantom Empire. I'll just click this drop down menu and go to shop settings. So here I have my shop name. You can't change your shop name, but you can change your custom domain. You can change the custom domain. I'll be leaving my store currency as USD. If you have a Facebook ID pixel, you can add that. So I'll just go ahead and click on save all. Yeah, so my general settings has been updated successfully. So here is your payment gateways. So Sell the Trend shops has PayPal and Stripe partnership to have secured payments. You can click on anyone that suits you best. So I'll be going with PayPal. So let me just go with PayPal. Yeah, so you can click here to connect through PayPal, but I won't be doing that. But if you have a PayPal account, you can click here and go ahead and connect your PayPal directly, so you can always get your payment. So if you have a custom domain, if you want to add a custom domain, you can go ahead and click here, this one here, to add your custom domain. The next thing to do now is to click on product. Yes, just click on product to add product to our store. This is the product list. We don't have anything here at the moment. We don't have anything. Also our import list, we don't have anything there as well. So the next thing to do now, can you see our import list as well is empty? So the next thing to do now, we're going to click on AliExpress. We're going to go to AliExpress. Please note that you need to download the Google Chrome extension. Yes, it's very important to download the Google Chrome extension for this to work. So the next thing I have to do is to go to AliExpress on another page. Okay, great. So we have Ali extension now. What we need to do is to type in beauty products for women. So we'll click on the first one, beauty products for women, to add a product from AliExpress directly to our store, to our store on Sell the Trends. So these are the options I have for beauty products for women. Yes, these are my options. I have this beautiful products from AliExpress. So I think I'll just go ahead with this beauty blender. I'll just click on the Sell the Trend icon. You can see the Sell the Trend icon. Click on it, so it's adding already to import list. Yes, so products added to import list. So now we go back to our import list to check if it has added or not. So I'll just go ahead and refresh my page, my import list. Yes, can you see now we have a product directly, yes, from AliExpress directly on my import list directly. So now I'll just click on add to store. So it's adding to store. So for this page, I can modify anything I want. I can modify the title, I can modify the description, I can also choose my images. So I'll click on the first 1 2 3. I'll just click, I'm okay with 3. So let's move ahead. So I can also modify the price here. I can also modify the pricing if I want to increase or decrease. I can do that. I can also select my category. Then you can see the fulfillment source as well here. Every details you need to see about this product is right here. So I'll just go ahead and push to my store. So we need to go to the products now to see if we now have it on my product list, since we've imported and also pushed to store. Yippee! Can you see? It's very simple. It's very simple and straightforward. We now have it on my product list. To search for Nexus products, so we go back to my dashboard. Nexus product shows us real winning products. So we now have to go to, just click on products now. We click on product to access our Nexus list. Yes. So we have Nexus Hot here. So we have the French. You can go on that trending. You can select product from any of those options here, but I'll just be going with Nexus Hot. So now go ahead and click beauty. I want to search for beauty, search. So these are the options we have for beauty under Nexus Hot. You can also filter. You can also filter here. So let's just see the product I wish or like to add to my store. Okay, so I think I love this this makeup brush set. The start is actually great. I'll be going for that. So let's click on product research. Okay, so this is what we have. We can see I love this so much. It showed me total number of orders so far, like product costs, selling price, profit margin, the numbers of suppliers, store selling, everything. The insight I need to know about this product is right here staring at me. You can also see Facebook ads. So if you want to also run Facebook ad, this is very great. Just click on that to see how to find the right audience for this product. This also is showing me the real trends chart about this product, how well it's going. It's like, can you see the orders, how well the orders are coming in? It's actually great. You can see from April to the next few months, you can see the trend charts. Then also the product insights, low competition, good profit margin, good amount of orders in a popular niche, like everything is well picked. Then this is not a new product. You can see here, added to Sell the Trend over 7 months ago. Very accurate and straightforward and direct. So also the competition meter as well, the store's country breakdown, everything I need to know about this product is staring at me. Yes, so I'll just go ahead now and add to my store. Yes, So this is where you get to edit or modify the product details. You can edit the title, the description, the images, the details, the price. You can edit, you can modify to what you want, to anything you want. You can select category, everything you need to know about those products, fulfillment source, everything is right there. So just go for anything, just modify anything you want to modify. Then the images as well, click on images. So I'll be going with the first 5 images or the first 6 images. You click push to store. Now we have it in our store already. So let's close this, or let's go to my products. Just click on my products to see if it has been added to our product list. Yes, perfect. We now have both products, the one from AliExpress and the one from Nexus. Reviews are very, very important because it helps us convert more sales. So we can import reviews directly from AliExpress to our store, yes, so that anyone who is interested can see other people's review and make their decisions. Like, reviews are very, very important. So we import reviews directly from AliExpress. It's importing. Yes, awesome. We have imported your reviews. Yes, so directly we can now go to our product page to view the reviews now. Yes, so this is our product page for the set of brush, powder brush or makeup brush. We can see the stars, about 5 stars here, 58 reviews. So let's go ahead and check some of the reviews on this particular product. And you see the beautiful reviews about this product. You can see there are even pictures to even confirm or solidify our reviews. We have so many reviews about those products. Shipping fast, brushes are great. You can see some people already arranged them. You can see beautiful reviews. This will actually help you convert more sales. I love this so much. Shipping as well. Due to high demand, please allow 2 to 4 weeks for shipping. Yes, so that your customers are well informed, and also inform them this is the shipping duration and you're good to go. Everything is there perfectly. For a limited time, you can sign up with my link to get free access to build your dropshipping website using Sell the Trend shops. Link to get your free access will be in my description box and also in my comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you find it helpful. Please share your thoughts with me in the comment section. If you have any question about this video, about this website, please drop them for me in the comment section. Yes, I'll be in my comment section waiting for you. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment and share this video. Also drop video suggestions of what you want to watch next on my channel. I will definitely work on them and bring them to you. Yes, you know I am here for you guys. I am here for you. I have a lot of videos on this channel on how to start a business with or without capital, drop shipping and different side hustle ideas. Please check them out. I'll link some right up here, while some will also be in my description box. Please check them out. Till I come your way next time, catch me in the comment section and in other videos I have on this channel. I love you all.